Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel subscriptions on your iPhone and iPad. Whether you've signed up for an app you no longer use or simply want to manage your recurring payments, knowing how to cancel subscriptions is a useful skill. I'll walk you through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including your subscriptions. Once you're in the Settings app, look for your name at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID settings, where you can manage your account details. In your Apple ID settings, you'll see an option labeled Subscriptions. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a list of all your active subscriptions. This is where you can see everything you're currently subscribed to through your Apple ID. Find the subscription you want to cancel and tap on it. You'll be presented with details about the subscription, including the next billing date. To cancel it, simply tap the Cancel Subscription button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation. Once you do this, your subscription will be canceled, but you'll still have access to the service until the end of the current billing period. This means you can continue using it until the subscription naturally expires. And that's it! Canceling subscriptions on your iPhone or iPad is a straightforward process, and it's a great way to keep your finances in check by ensuring you're only paying for the services you actually use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. See you later.